Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Saptanam. So, today we are going to see another question on probability density function of a random variable. So, let's see what is that question. Let fx is equal to ax plus bx square if x is in this range 0 to 1 and 0 elsewhere. Be a PDF of a random variable x. If expectation of x is 2 by 3, then find the values of a and b. Let's see its solution. Fx is a PDF. That means PDF. So this implies integral minus infinity to plus infinity fx dx is equal to 1 we have. So let's see what is this. Minus infinity to 0, we can break this function as an integral 0 to 1 fx dx plus 1 to infinity fx dx is equal to 1. Okay, so fx is 0 minus infinity to 0, so this part is going to be 0 because fx is 0. Now 0 to 1 it is given ax plus bx square dx. Similarly 1 to infinity it is also 0, so I am putting 0. So now we are going to do integral ax square by 2 plus bx cube by 3 0 to 1 is equal to 1. So what is this? After solving this limit, what will you get? A by 2 plus b by 3 is equal to 1. Let's take 1. Next, expectation of x is given 2 by 3. That means what is the formula for expectation? The formula is minus infinity to plus infinity x fx dx 2 by 3. Again, we can break this integral minus infinity to 0 x fx dx plus 0 to 1 x fx dx plus 1 to infinity x fx dx is equal to 2 by 3. Since fx is 0 here, so this is going to be 0. 0 to 1 x ax plus bx square dx. So this is this. And again, this is going to be 0 because 1 in the range of 1 to infinity, the fx is 0. So we got this. So this implies 0 to 1 ax square bx cube dx is equal to 2 by 3. So we got what? Ax cube upon 3 bx is 4 upon 4 0 to 1 2 by 3. So what is this after solving this limit? A by 3 plus b by 4. Okay, multiplying both the sides by 3 by 2 we get what we get? So we will get a by 2 plus 3b by 8 and this will be 1. So we have first equation was a by 2 b by 3 is equal to 1 and second equation is a by 2 plus 3b by 8 is equal to 1. So first we can subtract. So what will be this? This will be cancel out. This will be cancel out. What will be this? B by 3 minus 3b by 8 equal to 0. So what will be 8b minus 9b upon 24 is equal to 0. So what is this? Minus b by 24 is equal to 0. That means after solving it, we got is equal to 0. Now from 1 we have a by 2 plus b by 3 is equal to 1. So b का वैल्यू 0 हो गया तो this is 0 is equal to 1. That means a by 2 is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Finally, we have a is equal to 2 and b is 0. So this is the answer. So today's question after this, if you have any problem related to this question, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for today's question. Like, share, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.